So hello YouTube. Today my father is using OnePlus 5T from last 5 years. So for him I wanted an upgrade. So we are going again with OnePlus Nord CE 4. The reason to buy this phone was the big discount going on. Not big actually. This is not a big billion or any big sale, but I've taken the entry level variant of this 8 GB RAMs, 128 GB ROM. So this costed me 20,000 rupees, okay, because there was bank offer on the ICICI credit card. You can see the model, the MRP is 25,000, and after all the card discount I got it for 20k, and the manufacturing is November 2024. Now let's quickly unbox it. Only thing I didn't like that I ordered some heavy packages together with this phone, and they packed everything in one single box, which is very disappointing. I'll show you the box. So this is the box, and it had very heavy packages, and the box was broken from one side, as you can see. So I'm just worrying that because of this heavy package my phone is not damaged, because you can see it is little bit bent from this side. I'm just worried that the phone should not be damaged inside. It doesn't make sense to put all the heavy packages into this box, because they should have the dedicated packaging for the phone itself. I'm trying to find something to remove this cover. So we are opening it. Okay, so they kept the case on the top, which is good thing. So we have the case, some stickers, some user manuals, and SIM ejector tool. I don't know what is use of this membership card. This is the case. Looks pretty basic, not soft. It feels. So here is the cover and everything. Case looks good. So this is the main phone. The USB type A to type C traditional OnePlus cable, and this is the best thing. You get very heavy 100-watt charger. It's really heavy in weight. I don't know how it will hold. They should have given the 3-pin plug point, because this is very heavy, it will fall down. This is 100-watt, guys. I recently brought one more phone for my mother. That was OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. It got 80-watt charger inside the box. This is the good thing about OnePlus. Even for my Samsung phone I haven't got any charger. So that's all inside the box. Now let's keep it aside. I will open the phone. Phone looks good overall. Okay, the first impression for this marble color, honestly it looks like discolored screen. It's glossy, but this is not a even surface. This flash is like this. I don't know how powerful the flash is. The screen guard is there. They said they will provide pre-laminated screen guard, but it's of extremely cheap quality. It's not a glass. I don't know if you can see it. It's a plastic screen guard. Hardly will last for a few months. Now you can see from the camera. It's a plastic screen guard, not the glass one. Now let me turn it on for the first time. Okay. So it's handy. Feels good. So the reason to buy this OnePlus again was actually my plan was to buy Poco X7 Pro, but as this OnePlus also has 5500 mAh battery, good Snapdragon processor, and basic basically it's a reliable brand. Even though there were some screen issues, but now we have the lifetime warranty for screen, so it's a reliable brand. So I decided to go with OnePlus again. You can imagine my father is using same from last 5 years, and even its battery is still intact. That's why I decided to go with this again. Now I will insert the SIM. I will make the basic setup, and then we will continue the video. So I've done the basic configuration. This is how your initial screen will look like. This is the old OnePlus 5T which I was talking about. You can see the difference over the edges. Now the phone is very premium. This is the old phone. This feels solid because this is made of metal. If anyone wants to purchase this phone, I will let it go in 5,000 rupees. So this is how the UI looks like. It's very smooth. It has Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. So 128 GB processor. Yeah, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, not 7S. Battery, RAM plus 4 GB. I will expand the RAM. Okay, so it needs a restart. Okay, not now. I will do it later. So this is all about the phone. OnePlus is not known for excellent camera like Samsung. It has pretty basic camera, but still I am happy with it. So I brought this for my dad. My dad is senior citizen, about 65 years. So basic day-to-day activities and all the important applications should work. So Yono SBI app stopped working in this phone. That is the reason we had to buy new phone now, because of the security updates are not supported on this OnePlus 5T anymore. That's why we have brought it. For basic day-to-day use, or even if you are a youngster, this is a great phone. Go for it. And it's OnePlus, so you don't have to worry about it on long term. But if you are a youngster, if you want something, the best thing about this is it charges this phone fully in just half an hour with this charger. Only half hour, guys. Can you imagine? Only keep it while you are going on bath and you are done. So that was all regarding unboxing and quick review on this phone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.